Hey, tree lovers, taking a giant coconut out of the ground, gonna move it to another location. Look at that work of art. He's on a hill and he doesn't want to get that unbalanced while he's on the side of that hill. So see what he did? He drug it down the hill. Absolutely brilliant. That's Tito. He's been with me 20 years. The man knows his stuff. Now he's gonna stand it up. Check it out, here we go. And he'll drive on level ground over to the new hole. The owner did not want that tree on top of that little knoll where it was the tallest tree over there. Look at that. That's Tito Barbosa. He is a giant in this business. And he is my personal foreman, been with me for years and years and years. He knows as much as I do. But I taught him everything I know, so that's to be expected. We're the Tree Planters at treeplanters.com. We're on Captiva Island, moving 200 palm trees. We're almost done. Call us.